welcome to day 5 vlog.
Don't touch it, Nick. I'm not touching it. I'll do Irish cream then. I didn't.
So try to do that. Yo, I went to sleep with like rings on, and now my skin is like green and purple and it hurts. I think I was cutting off my circulation. Okay, here's the church fit. It's a jumpsuit. Just got out of church. Heading into 7-Eleven.
The best weather in the whole world.
Literally. Period.
So good.
I know.
I so
Heading into 7-Eleven. I know. I would just want to sit in the sun, literally, all day. I could just fall asleep in the sun.
So I'm gonna take
Mormon.
yeah, and then I'm gonna use this. They like add 10 different sodas together, and then they put like creamer in it and all this other stuff. Oh, and there's syrup. What's the syrups? Oh, what do they have? Okay, wait. They have French vanilla.
Nick is so excited.
I want coconut spice. Is there gonna be coconut though? There's really coconut. Wait, is there coconut?
She looked for coconut.
I don't know. I'm a little scared. And then I could do regular chocolate.
Wait, what did you
creamer.
already add so far?
French vanilla.
Okay.
In my Diet Coke. Okay.
French vanilla and Diet Coke.
What is Irish cream?
It's yummy. It's like creamer. That's like kind of a nutty like
is it?
Irish
Nutty?
cream flavor.
Okay, sure. I'll do Irish cream then. How many do I put?
2? Maybe?
Wait, can you give me a
I kind of want to just eat this.
I want a blue one too.
Yeah.
Just take a shot of
Yeah, I'm just gonna take a shot. It's actually love these. You don't have to pay for these, right? Caramel macchiato.
Yeah. Okay, then
Shots after church. For the best. 10 out of 10. It's good.
Perfect. Oh yeah, I've
Do they have Jamba candy?
Should I buy them? Oh, I never know try it.
Okay.
I'm scared for the outcome of
Next drink.
I need a straw. Guys, I've been wanting to do this. I'm so excited. It's freezing.
It is. I kind of. These look so healthy. Yummy.
Yeah. Did you record the whole thing?
Well, not the whole thing.
Oh, okay. Most of it. Okay. Are you
Most of it, yeah.
yours? Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Wait, that's actually good. I think it's good too. That is really good. This is good.
Did you already eat one? Good or no?
Okay, watch this. No. Am I doing it right? The meds you wanted in 7-Eleven? Yeah,
Interesting.
and then look, here's the inside.
Oh.
And you eat the outside too.
Hey, that's just fun. So you just peel it for the fun of it? That's funny. I like
It's
that.
so interesting.
Yummy. Leftovers for lunch. Yummy. Guys, our song is on. Did it just wash up here?
Don't touch it, it's poisonous.
Only if you eat it wrong.
No, it's poisonous.
No, Dale, the thing is, it's only not poisonous if you eat it right.
That's
Other than that, it's
actually
always poisonous.
Oh my god. That'd be so cute. Yeah.
That's really cool.
Don't touch it.
Nick.
I'm not touching it. I'm jump scaring everyone.
Found a jellyfish. I'm gonna go return it into the water. Look, there's a dead fish. Dead fish everywhere. Okay. Goodbye, Mr. Jellyfish. You just found the coolest place. Did you just find that in the water? Are you guys finding stuff? This murky, dirty, dusty green water. Oh, so cutesy. Oh. Oh, everyone's diving in. I'm not getting this hair wet. You don't want to do it?
No, I don't want to get wet.
Then don't do it. Look at Jill's feet in the back.
Oh, look at this one, guys.
I found this.
This one has like weird holes in it.
So pretty.
That's really pretty.
Something in it?
Look,
That's so
there's a mussel in it. Ooh, it's alive.
I just got one too.
Wait. Yay. Yay. Okay, like blink my eyes pretending to take the mental picture.
Got the Super Bowl to work. Anybody bring a charger? Not with me on this.
That would have been real bad.
Thank you so much. Third day in a row coming here, guys. This is the place. Just took a shower, did a little bit of skincare, which I never do. So we'll see if this stuff I put on my face irritates my face or not. Anyways, we're packing up because tonight was our last night and we leave early in the morning for the airport. So I'm packing up all my toiletries and stuff, as you can see. Got my makeup bag packed. I got all my toiletries packed in this little Ben soap box that I have. Also, guys, if you don't know what Ben soap is, you're really missing out. You need to check them out. They're the goats. Pun intended. Yeah, we got some takeout dinner. My mom and a few of the girls went to go pick that up. And they should be home soon. They might even be eating right now. I need to go see. But yeah, so we're packing up tonight. We're leaving early in the morning and I'll just say goodnight to y'all now. It's Mexican food. That's like horchata. Fruit on top. That looks delicious. What? Oh, you like my braids? Thank you. No, I didn't. Video because they're all so funny and I keep missing funny things.
Fire. My lips. Wait.
But
my lips like fire. No. My lips. I can turn the camera around. My lips like sugar. Yeah. My lips like sugar. The right idea with the wrong lyrics.
Yeah, no, this is not
When
healthy.
I said My Little Kitty as being wrong, and I like think about it.
I know, we need to like purposely say stuff wrong in front of people and see if they catch on.
Yeah, like fasted. No, I always catch it in other people. I just don't catch it myself.
Hand-riser. Okay, does anyone else want to jump in the pool with me? I'm hot.
I'm gonna jump in the pool. I'll do it.
I hope you guys do. I just showered, so
Just
I'm
video
not.
us.
I will video.
Okay, are you gonna eat your watermelon?
I'll go if
go for
everyone
it.
else is. Why not? It's the last night.
Yes, that's the mindset, Savannah. Yes. As I'm not jumping in the pool.
What? Yeah.
It's okay.
I feel so good.
I don't know. The TV's just been on in the backyard.
Who's that guy?
Oh, he's kind of hot. No, just kidding. Just kidding. So try to do that. Wait.
Yes, that was me.
That was her.
You gotta do this.
Yes.
She ate with that. She ate with that. What time is it
Oh.
right now?
Okay. What time is it, you said? Oh, nice try. Oh. Yay. Woke up looking for the broccoli. Oh, he looks mesmerized.
There was a guy, and he had this like weird hair in his hat, like visor thing, and then he takes it off and he's bald.